G'day mates! Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of professional data engineering. Here, we unravel the complexities of data processing, analysis, and management to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of data science. Data engineering is the backbone of modern technology, powering everything from e-commerce platforms to social media algorithms. It's the art of transforming raw data into valuable insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and drive innovation. In our videos, we'll explore the tools and techniques used by data engineers to design robust data pipelines, optimize data storage, and ensure data quality. From ETL processes to data warehousing, we'll break down the key concepts and best practices that every aspiring data engineer should know. But it's not all technical jargon and complex algorithms here. We'll also share real-world examples and case studies to illustrate how data engineering is shaping industries and driving digital transformation. Whether you're a seasoned data professional or just starting out, our channel is your go-to resource for all things data engineering. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a data-driven journey with us. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of data enthusiasts as we unravel the mysteries of professional data engineering. Let's dive in.